froze to death. No, wait. Hold on. Here. I'll give you this coat. It's a great coat. During the day, you can wear it as a coat, but at night, it turns into a sleeping bag. And it only costs me one bag of cans.
Wow. Something like this will revolutionize my life. Thank you so much. Wow.
Ghetto sleeping bag jackets for homeless lowlifes seeking a little warmth in a cold world.